Hi guys, welcome to Butte Mountain Homestead. I didn't turn the camera on earlier because I knew I was going to run out of cool air and it was hot in there. But I'm going to show you from the outside first. Is I put up some shade cloth on the inside, and then I attached one of those magnetic screen doors. I just got this off of Amazon. It's not airtight or whatever, gap free, but it will stop birds from flying in there. I found a dead hummingbird the other day, so that was kind of sad. Hopefully no frogs get in there. It's not stopping the wasp, but I wasn't going to stop the wasp anyways. But you can closure it, or it's just magnetic. I told Gene when he's going in that it's attached at the bottom, so you have to step through. And then I'll show you. I'm not staying in here for very long. But then, yeah, you just touch it and it grabs it. So then here's the shade cloth. And then I'll just roll it up and tie it up at the top when I'm needing the sun during the late winter, early spring. I attach the solar panel so I can charge stuff in here. It's not perfect, but you know, it works. It's already significantly cooler in here. I did sit here and have the fan on. I got one piece of burlap attached, and it is significantly cooler underneath it, but it's brutal in here. When this starts showing negative numbers, I know it's hot, and well, that's 105 on there, so it's hot in here. So, and this stuff sheds, as you know, and I found the best way to put it up was with tacks. So I need to pick up some more this evening and then work on this in the morning. But yeah. And then I just got some stuff cleaned up. It was starting to get a little cluttered looking, so I just got stuff cleaned up. My daughter and son-in-law and granddaughter got me some Bluetooth lantern speakers. There's two of them, but I brought one out. So let's listen to that. So yeah, I've just been putzing out here a little bit. And I did do a fountain treatment. Where is it? I might have to take the fountain apart. But it's all non-toxic, safe for humans, pets, birds, fish, frogs, aquatic plants, and lawns. Biodegradable, bioenzyme activity, water-based, natural and safe. I got this at that same nursery where I got the plants the other day. So it just takes a teaspoon for up to 5 gallons. So that's what I did. Because the fountain is more than a gallon, but I think it's less than 5. So let's see. Trying to get this figured out. There we go. Oh, and the wasp are just crazy. Fountain's trying to go, but it's just not doing it. So, anyways, I'm just out picking green beans really quick, and I know it's not the best time to be filming, but I'm getting ready to go inside. It's only 10:20 in the morning and I am roasting, but I do want to get a reel of these bumblebees on here or a short. So I think I might work on that this evening. But yep, I'm just harvesting some more green beans, and everything got a good drink of water this morning. The Amish paste tomatoes kind of perked up. I don't know if it was the heat that kicked in or the fertilizer or a little bit of both. So we're getting some tomatoes on there. These are the Amish paste. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So, and look at the growth on these pole beans. I mean, I know this is the only area I've been showing the last few videos, but it's the only area I've been working on. Oh, something gross is I replaced the fly trap. Oh, less than an hour ago. Oh, you guys, if you could see all the bumblebees. I want to cut these hollyhocks down. That's pushing 8 feet tall. But I put a new fly trap up. Look at how many flies. I mean, less than a half hour ago. Look at those. That's so gross. And it stinks. But look at all these flies. So yeah, if you have a chicken coop, goats, horses, pigs, whatever, I'm considering actually putting up another one. But, yeah, I want to cut down these hollyhocks, but I think I'm going to the ones that the flowers are dead. I'm going to cut those and then leave the ones with the flowers on there. But The limes, look, we are going to have so many, not limes, lemons. So many lemons this year. So many lemons. Okay, so I just wanted to show you those few things, and then I'll come out tonight and I'll show you some more. But yeah, there's green beans. I just picked that colander full, day before last. So I think I will be okay with being able to can some, I would say by Monday. I might have a small batch to can. And I can always do, one nice thing is I'm going to raw pack these to start, just to fill up jars. And then I'll know how many jars I'm short. And then I can just do some potatoes, pints, because I think there's like 5, maybe 10 minutes difference on processing. So, yeah. But the pole beans, still don't see any flowers, but I see lots of growth. So that's good to see. I need to get some, be preventive on some bug treatment, so I need to get those neem pellets in there. But okay guys, I'm going to finish harvesting more green beans, and then I'm going inside till this evening. I'm just, look at the cantaloupe. There are so many cantaloupe on here. Oh, I can't wait. Can't wait. I still haven't harvested the celery, but maybe tonight if it's cool enough. It's supposed to get 10 to 15 mile an hour winds today. So if it gets cool enough tonight, I will do that. But I will bring you outside to show you what I'm doing. Hope you guys are liking these. So see you this evening. Okay, I decided to come inside. This is what green beans I got. So that'll be added to the gallon bag. And yeah, I think by Monday I'll be able to do a small batch of green beans. But I brought in some pineapple mint and spearmint. I'm going to muddle that to put in my water. And then I have to do it today, otherwise I will lose them, as I have, I have a whole bunch of raspberries. So these are going to get turned into jam today. And yeah, then this evening I will take you guys back outside and show you what I'm doing outside. So yeah, just almost kind of like a little day in the life. I'm going to hang some laundry on the line. It's Friday here, so I do our clothes laundry on Friday, so I'm going to get that on the line, let Mother Nature dry it, and so be back in a bit. Okay guys, I did not show the process because that stuff is molten lava when it's boiling, so I was not going to try to hold a camera, get hot jars out from being sterilized. Oop, there's one popped. And do all that. It goes so fast. But I got 6 10-ounce jars of raspberry jam, so I'm pretty excited about that. And I should be able to go pick some apricots in a week or so. So after that, between the boysenberry, this raspberry, the apricot, and then what jam I had left over, which was a couple jars, and my aunt gave me a couple jars, then that's what jam I'm going to have for the year. I'm the only one who eats it, so I do share some. This year I'm not going to have as much, so my sharing will be a little bit more stingy, I guess. I don't know, but we're not. I mean, if I don't eat it, then I give it away to someone who needed it or would enjoy it. Then that's how it goes. Anyways, and I just realized that I'm not going to be outside this evening because I have somewhere to go this evening. So I may pop on in the morning and just show you some stuff I'm working on. Oop, another ding. I love that sound. And then, because I am going to cut back some of those hollyhocks. And I need to pick up some debris from the west side. Actually, I think I'm going to... no, I'm not going to run the sprinkler. I'll run it tonight when I get home. That way I can pull some of those weeds on the west side that are the tough ones in the ground. So anyways, I will see you guys in the morning. I hope you have a great night. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I had to come out and I had to scrub on the fountain there a little bit. It was still gunked up and it's not level right now, so I need to go get the level and get that figured out. But yeah, it's a new day, so I'm gonna go get some weed control right now for this hot mess. And I've just been putzing around, but I need to get in here and pull these weeds. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I need to get some brush taken down. Need to get that dug up. I need to do everything I talked about I was doing yesterday. So I need to get that done, get that all down to the brush pile, and yeah, everything's looking really good. So I will show you when I'm done weeding this, and it's kind of going to be the same old, so I might just actually wrap it up. Not much of a video really. There's a few little things on there, but gotta get those suckers off of there, guys. But bumblebees are not liking me bugging stuff. I'm watering the trees down below, so I need to hang out for that. But I'm gonna pick more green beans and get the melons secured up on the thing after the bumblebee does what she's gonna do. And so I might show you after I'm done with all that. It's just little bits, but at least it'll show progress pictures. So I'll be back in a bit. Hi guys, it is definitely not later in the day, but I just realized that I have to be somewhere this evening that I have to get ready for earlier. So, and it's already getting hot. I need to do lunch and some inside stuff before I have to go and get ready and do all that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this up. As anything comes along that I do finish out in the garden, over the next few days, I'll definitely show you, and I'll reference this video. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the box below. Thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe, share, like, do all the good stuff. Remember to always be kind. Do what makes you happy. Thanks, guys. Bye.